Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can bookmark your website in Google Chrome browser. In PC, how you can bookmark your website. So I'm going to open my browser and here you can search any website you want to bookmark. I'm going to search random word generator. Open a website. After that you can see in here this star icon. You can see you need to click on this, bookmark this website, and you can change this name and you can also create folder. So I'm going to select all bookmarks and random word. After that click on done. I'm going to close this website. Now you can see in here all bookmarks. Select this. In the last you can see in here random word generator. In above this all website I bookmark. So I'm going to select this one and I can easily open this website. So in this way you can bookmark your website. So how you can remove this from your bookmark? Right click on it and simply click on delete. So now if I go to my bookmark, now you can see I can easily delete my bookmark website. So I'm going to close my browser. So guys, in this way you can bookmark your website in Google Chrome browser. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.